Hey everybody, Davey here from At Home. Today I'm going to give you the 2-week follow-up from using the Scotts Easy Feed on this little section of grass here. Just a quick review, just to see what it kind of looks like. This is with just about everyday watering, but let's see what the growth looks like. So looking at some of the grass growth here, you can see that we got some sprigs coming in here. Not complete full coverage yet, but we got some nice growth. Some of that grass is probably a good 2 inches tall already at this point. You know, it feels nice and firm. It's looking real good. This is with just about everyday watering. This is with the Scotts Easy Feed. I wanted to give a quick follow-up on the product. Real easy to use. You just kind of lay it down, you give it some watering, and it goes. I'm going to check in about another 2 weeks. That'll give it a full 1 month, and we'll see what the grass looks like. So once again, the stuff we were using here is that Scotts Easy Feed. This is 2 weeks after we put it down in that last video. I'm going to check back in about 2 weeks. Let's see what the full growth looks like after about a month. This is with just about everyday watering. The weather, it's you know, it's kind of midwinter, so probably not the best time for this, but just a fun little project around the house. We'll check back in a couple of weeks.